Want access to premium learning resources completely for free? Well, my friends at KodeKloud are once again running their free learning week where you can access the entire platform completely free of charge. If you haven't heard of them before, KodeKloud is a leading platform to help you master DevOps, cloud, and AI with hands-on labs and guided videos. And so if one of your 2026 goals is to go beyond certifications and build real-world skills, this video is for you. I'm going to give you a tour of the KodeKloud platform and explain how you can make the most out of it. The link to sign up to this free learning week, by the way, is in the description below, so don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Alright, once you click on the link below, you'll be directed to this page. As you can see, KodeKloud's free learning week runs from February 10th to February 17th. All you have to do is create a free account over here and you'll gain instant access. No credit card needed or hidden charges, by the way. Okay, let's take a look at what's included in this free learning week. You'll get access to 174 courses in DevOps, cloud, and AI, over 1,000 hands-on labs, and over 5,000 hours of content. You can also join their Discord community, which has over 50,000 members. So yeah, because there's a mix of hands-on labs as well as video content, you won't just be learning passively. You'll be able to build real practical skills. Now let's scroll down a bit more to see what your free week with KodeKloud might look like. Here's a structured plan they designed to help you explore, practice, and progress. So starting from day 1, you can choose a track as well as the courses you'd like to take. I'll be showing you the courses in more detail later, but if we just hover over this Learn tab, you'll be able to see all the different learning paths they have. DevOps engineer, cloud engineer, Kubernetes administrator, and so on. They also have learning paths based on topics, as well as ones based on certifications. On day number 3, you can keep learning, and you can actually learn on the go with the KodeKloud mobile app. Day number 4 is focused on building job-ready skills. So not only will you get hands-on experience with lab environments, but you'll also get real-world simulations and systems without the pressure of a real job. This step, in my opinion, is really important for interviews, and is often something that many candidates miss. On the next day, you can check out KodeKloud's AI platform. With just one access key, you can access multiple LLM models. So take this chance to build, test, and experiment with AI. In the coming days, what you'll also have access to is the 100 Days of DevOps Challenge as well as the 100 Days of Cloud Challenge. This is something I mentioned in a previous video, but it's a really good way for beginners to upskill in real-world tasks. And finally, you can put together everything you learnt through hands-on lab courses. Again, KodeKloud really values learn by doing. You'll be working with AWS services, building CI/CD pipelines, and actual Kubernetes clusters. By the way, KodeKloud provides these sandbox environments, so you won't have any additional charges. You can just do everything within KodeKloud. No need for an AWS account or paid access to Claude Code, which is pretty cool, right? I mean, you're working with actual infrastructure without having to worry about a cloud bill. Now, let me walk you through the actual KodeKloud platform, as well as some courses I'd recommend taking during the free learning week. So once you log in and create an account, this is pretty much what you'll see. There's a whole bunch of courses that are free, as well as those in the standard and pro plans. But of course, if you log in from February 10th, everything in the standard plan will be free. So as you can see, KodeKloud has a lot of courses. I mean, I can just keep scrolling, and scrolling. And still I haven't reached the end. If you're a complete beginner looking to learn cloud, I would recommend this AWS Cloud Practitioner course. And if you'd like to combine your cloud skills with AI skills, you can also check out this AWS Certified AI Practitioner course. On the Azure side, there's also a bunch of courses for you to pass various certifications. There's also courses you can take to master different domains of IT. For example, this Fundamentals of SRE, Learning Linux Basics course, as well as one for Terraform Basics. I'll leave it up to you to browse through all the courses, but let me give you a quick preview of what to expect. Let's take this AWS Cloud Practitioner course for example. The course includes a course certificate, demos, lessons, quizzes, and video content. It starts off with an introduction to cloud computing, and then moves into security and compliance, and so on. As you can see over here, the content is very interactive, and it sort of feels like playing a little game. I also just want to quickly show you their hands-on labs. So if we click on the first one and click Start Lab, here's what you'll see. It's very interactive, and you can just follow the instructions step by step. Pretty much every one of their courses comes with these integrated labs, which is a really great way to learn, because that way you'll actually build muscle memory. Once you perform a lot of these real-world tasks, it'll be much easier for you to do it on the job. And if you ever get stuck, you can just view the solution, and there's also an AI assistant that's here to help. Alright, now you might have two questions. First, Lucy, who is KodeKloud for? Well, if we take a look at the learning paths, it's for anyone who wants to become one of these roles, or anyone looking to upskill in any of these domains, including AI. As we've seen earlier, there are courses ranging from beginner, intermediate to advanced. The second question is, what happens after the 7 days? Would I be locked out of my account? Well, no, you pretty much just won't have access to the standard plan for free anymore. But the good thing is, all of your progress will be saved. Progress from courses, labs, and so on. Also the KodeKloud certifications you earn. And so what I recommend doing is signing up to the free learning week as soon as you can. If you sign up on February 10th, you get the entire week, but if you sign up on the 15th, for example, you only get about 2 to 3 days. So just click on the link in the description or the pinned comments. Alright, so that was a walkthrough of KodeKloud's free learning week. Please give this video a like if you found it helpful, and let me know in the comments which course you're going to start with. I really hope all of you can take advantage of this free learning week to access what normally would need a paid subscription. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.